Hey everyone, way you go development. Ever feel like the traditional real estate market is just too competitive? Let me introduce you to a strategy that can give you an edge pre-foreclosure investing. Pre-foreclosure is a unique window where homeowners are behind on mortgage payments but haven't been foreclosed on yet. This means they're highly motivated to sell, often below market value, to avoid foreclosure. This creates a win-win for both investors and homeowners. In this video, I'll break down pre-foreclosure investing step by step, giving you the tools to find incredible deals. We'll cover everything from identifying properties to negotiating with homeowners and securing funding. This is your chance to build wealth and make a real impact. Let's get started. The first step to successful pre-foreclosure investing is knowing where to find these opportunities. Timing is everything. You need to act fast and efficiently to secure the best deals. One of my favorite resources is USA Legal Notices, which compiles public records, including notices of default. Think of these notices as your early warning system. You can set up alerts for specific areas so you're notified the second a new pre-foreclosure pops up. Another great tool is auction.com, listing properties scheduled for foreclosure auctions. Websites like Zillow and Realtor.com allow you to filter searches for pre-foreclosures specifically. But the real secret weapon? Pre-foreclosures daily and batch leads. These platforms provide detailed property data, owner contact information, and skip tracing services. PropStream is another powerful software that allows you to filter properties based on pre-foreclosure status. Once you have these resources, stay organized. Create a spreadsheet to track all your leads. Include columns for the property address, owner's name and contact information, estimated equity, and other relevant details. This will be your pre-foreclosure command center. Now that you've got a list of potential pre-foreclosure leads, it's time to start analyzing the data. Not every pre-foreclosure is created equal. You need to quickly identify the deals with the most potential. Make sure you're organized. I love using Google Sheets for this, but Excel works just as well. Create separate tabs for each stage of the pre-foreclosure process. Let's talk about distress indicators. Multiple missed mortgage payments, property tax liens, code violations, and even judgments or bankruptcies. The more distress indicators, the more motivated the homeowner is likely to be. Perform an equity stack analysis, determine the current market value of the property, and subtract any outstanding liens. The remaining amount is the equity. For example, a property with a market value of $300,000, a $200,000 mortgage, and $10,000 in property tax liens has $90,000 in equity. Your goal is to negotiate a deal that allows you to acquire the property at a significant discount while still leaving some money for the homeowner. Analyzing pre-foreclosure data is about identifying motivated sellers and properties with hidden potential. By mastering these skills, you'll find those diamond-in-the-rough deals. Stay organized, stay focused, and you'll be well on your way to success. Remember, the key is to be thorough and efficient in your analysis. This will set you apart from other investors and help you secure the best deals. Now that you've identified some promising pre-foreclosure leads, it's time to start reaching out to homeowners. Many investors get stuck here, either too afraid to pick up the phone or coming across as insensitive. You have the potential to be a beacon of hope for these homeowners. They're facing a stressful situation and you can offer them a way out. Approach the conversation with empathy, understanding, and a genuine desire to help. One effective way to connect is through direct mail. A well-crafted postcard or letter can grab their attention. Personalize your message, address the homeowner by name, and highlight your understanding of their situation. But nothing beats the power of a phone call. It allows you to connect on a personal level, build rapport, and understand their specific circumstances. Cold calling can be intimidating, but it's worth it. When you get the homeowner on the phone, introduce yourself and explain why you're calling. Keep your tone understanding and empathetic. Let them know you're aware they might be going through a difficult time and that you're here to help. The goal is to open a dialogue and establish a connection, building trust and rapport. Once you've connected with a homeowner and understand their situation, it's time to explore potential solutions. Your goal is to find a win-win scenario that benefits both parties. Educate the homeowner about their options. Many homeowners facing pre-foreclosure are unaware of the alternatives available to them. Start by explaining the traditional sale process. If the homeowner has sufficient equity, a traditional sale could allow them to walk away without damaging their credit history. Discuss the foreclosure process itself, explaining the legal ramifications and potential financial consequences. Be honest and transparent, but avoid being overly negative. Propose a structured purchase, such as a short sale or a deed in lieu of foreclosure. In some cases, you can offer to purchase the property subject to the existing mortgage, or propose a lease option agreement, where the homeowner leases the property to you with the option to purchase it later. Be creative and flexible in your approach. Every pre-foreclosure situation is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. By understanding the homeowner's needs and goals, you can craft a tailored solution that benefits everyone involved. Now let's talk about securing funding for pre-foreclosure investing. You need access to capital to move quickly and close transactions efficiently. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional hard money lenders. Instead, consider alternative funding sources. Tap into your network and partner with other investors. Many individuals and groups are actively seeking to invest in real estate but lack the time or resources to find and manage deals. By partnering with these investors, you can leverage their capital while you focus on sourcing and structuring deals. Utilize assumable FHA and VA loans, which offer favorable terms and can often be assumed by qualified buyers. It's not just about finding the money. Have a clear exit strategy in place before making an offer. Whether you plan to renovate and sell or hold it long-term as a rental, a well-defined exit strategy will guide your investment decisions and give your funding partners confidence. Pre-foreclosure investing isn't always smooth sailing. You're dealing with homeowners in distress, complex legal processes, and a constantly evolving market. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with unresponsive or difficult homeowners. These individuals are often going through a stressful time and may be distrustful of investors. Remain patient, understanding, and persistent. Continue to reach out, offering support and resources. You're not just another investor, you're a problem solver and a potential lifeline. Navigating the legal and logistical complexities of pre-foreclosure transactions can be challenging. Have a team of experienced professionals on your side, including a real estate attorney, a title company, and a knowledgeable real estate agent. Be prepared for unexpected delays and setbacks. Stay flexible, adaptable, and solution-oriented. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your investing skills. So there you have it, the ins and outs of pre-foreclosure investing. We've covered a ton of ground, from finding hidden gems to analyzing data, connecting with homeowners, structuring deals, securing funding, and navigating challenges. Remember, pre-foreclosure investing isn't just about making profits, it's about making a difference. It's about providing homeowners with a lifeline during a difficult time, while creating opportunities for investors to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and explore pre-foreclosure investing, please text me at 909-801-1976 or email me at wayyago.com. Drop a comment with your questions. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Until next time, have a blessed day.